everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Janie. I do videos on stuffed animals like Squishmallow, Squishables, Build-A-Bear, and occasionally I throw in other things like hair care, skincare, Loungefly, that kind of thing. Today we're talking about Squishmallow. Some of them are right above me. So Five Below recently had a drop and it was basically just the food squad. So these are Squishmallow in fruit costumes, and I know a lot of people did not like this. I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that a lot of Five Belows dropped this collection a lot earlier than the launch date on their official Instagram, and also some of these designs have popped up already at Hot Topic, at Costco, stuff like that. So I really like the collection. I thought it was really cute, especially once I opened up the box. I was like, these are nice, but I can definitely see why people were just kind of like, oh, that's it, because Five Below was like hyping it up like guess our new squad, and it was something we had already seen at this point. But let's jump into it. The first one is this beautiful pug. This is Prince. I think I do have like the normal version of Prince, but he's dressed as a watermelon, and I think that's so cute. Watermelon's my favorite fruit. There's two that I didn't get from this collection, I'm not gonna lie, and that was honestly because I didn't even realize they were a part of the collection. They don't match this theme particularly. Like, they are fruit, but they're not in a costume. So that's gonna be the pineapple, which is just a penguin pineapple, and then the fox, which I think is supposed to be a pear. I might get the fox pear, but I'm definitely skipping out on that pineapple penguin because it looks just like Maui, which we talked about in the last video, which I gave to my friend, and I already have a version of Maui, so I'm not into it. But this is cute. Prince looks adorable. I love how vivid the color is, and I think he looks fun in there. Actually, he looks a little not happy in there, but I think it's cute. I think the design is fun for summer, and I think a couple years from now I'm gonna look back and be happy that I got these, hopefully. I mean, these are really affordable. 7.5 inches for $5.95. It's not a bad deal for me. Next up we have Simon the Sloth, another cutie pie. Looking adorable again. Just a really fun collection. I have to find a way of displaying these. If you follow my vlog channel, then you've seen kind of what's been going on just outside of this room as I try to find furniture pieces for all this stuff, but my collection is too large. But some sacrifices must be made at some point. But this is Simon, Prince. Let's move on to the next one. Ryan the strawberry. Ooh, so cute. This is probably one of my favorites. I like how the strawberry costume fits him, and he is a husky. So it says here he loves strawberry season almost as much as he loves to spend time learning about robots and technology. So far this is my favorite. I want to say, no, I think Prince still is my favorite, but this strawberry husky is a close second. Never mind, Regina's my favorite. This is an avocado. I'm not even the biggest fan of avocados. I do like them. I just feel like they have no taste when I eat them. So that's why I don't really eat them, because they're a little bland for me. I guess it's kind of how you prepare it. But avocado Regina is looking absolutely adorable. And like, look at the pit. It's like squishy. The whole thing is just so adorable. I love it. We have Karina, who I also have as a normal version. She's currently in my little room as well. Adorable. I love it. I love the stem. I love the detailing. All these fruits kind of look the same to me, but I'm not a good fruit. I love fruit, but I can't identify them sometimes when I see them as squish. Really cute though. And then last but definitely not least, we have Rosie. So I did get Rosie during one of the other Five Below drops. I think it's the one with the flower crown or whatever. This is Rosie as a peach. Really cute. I did see on Instagram and social media that there were some defective ones in stores that had either one ear or like a missing ear or no ears at all. So I thought that was really funny and interesting that was happening. But luckily this peach is perfectly well shaped, and she's probably my third favorite. So I want to say Regina is my favorite, and then Rosie, and then Prince the watermelon. But overall, a beautiful, cute collection. And again, I like the price. Whereas there's another collection I really love that I haven't been able to get the whole thing of. It's the candy one where they're like Twizzlers and Hershey Kisses and bubblegum. I really want that collection, but I only see it at Claire's and at Party City, and those places tend to be a little bit expensive, even for like just the, what size is that? I don't know what size is that, like 7.5, maybe a little bit bigger than this. It's so expensive. They're almost like $30 at Claire's. All right, there's an animal running across the roof, and I was confused. So the fact that Five Below offers Squish at such an affordable price is great for me. I'm always down for it. Let's do a price breakdown. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So I ended up unintentionally skipping those other two. So here is my price for all the things that I got. I think their flat rate shipping for Five Below is $7.85 or 95 cents. I I'm hoping that for the next drop I can maybe do it in person and see how that goes. It makes me a little nervous, but I think that'll be just a much more fun experience to try to get something in stores and see if it's chaotic or not, because I don't know if I would want to go to a Five Below in Manhattan or go to one in the Bronx, and maybe it's a little bit more chill there. Who knows? But if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. If you want to see other Squishmallow content, I have a playlist for that. I have my Build-A-Bear playlist. I have also another channel called BunnyJanie, where it's a little bit of a vlogging channel, so I get to bring back some of that lifestyle stuff that used to be on this channel, and now I also include Squishmallow organization on that one. So yeah, everything is a little bit of a mix, I'm not gonna lie, but nonetheless, all those social media links will be down below. And yeah, if you made it to the end, take care, have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.